YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video to do. You guys can check them out. The link will be down below. See what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. And they'll ship this to you fast. Thank you guys for sending me this unit. And hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Here we go, guys. Ooh. This is coming from, oh, this is Amazon. iMiSES CC1006 camera. 3-in-1 webcam with full HD camera, noise reduction, microphone, high power speaker, and also plug and play connectivity. So that should be easy to do. Now let's take a look. How do I open this? I will rip it. Oh man. There we go. Shortcut. Oh. And a little slide. A little mess is alright. So if you guys are needing a new webcam, great company right here. Great deals they got going on now. Get them before they are gone. Got the manual. Should be easy to set up. USB. Oh, this is nice. Alright, definitely can't wait to test this out. Got the cord. Got the clamp or the mount. I gotta get some cleaner. Alright guys, we got it all set up. Just had to do some modding. The light is blue, that means it's working. Oop, there I am. You guys can see, really nice, clear, coming right at you. So this is a really nice camera to get. You can see it right there. Great for Zoom calls, you know, Skype, whatever you guys use to connect with your family and friends and coworkers and colleagues and teammates. So definitely check them out, guys. iMiSES. Link will be down below. Let me zoom out. And you guys can order this now, and they'll ship it to you fast. So until then, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night. See ya.